Welcome to Pinnacle Peak Health. Today, we're diving into the captivating world of natural remedies and herbs. Nature has provided us with an incredible array of remedies, and we'll explore the healing power of herbs that have been used for centuries. We'll uncover the basics of herbal remedies, how they work and why they're gaining popularity in modern wellness. We'll blend and brew nature's goodness to create teas that soothe, heal, and rejuvenate. We'll sit down with a herbalist to discuss the science behind herbal remedies. We'll explore the art of formulation, dosages, and how herbs can address common health concerns. We're extracting the essences of herbs to create natural oils that offer relief and relaxation. Get ready to explore the kitchen and create your own natural balms, tinctures, and salves using simple ingredients and powerful herbs. Lastly, we'll venture into herbal gardening. Growing your own herbs can connect you with nature and your health. The wisdom of natural remedies is timeless. Incorporating herbs into your wellness routine can be truly transformative. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of natural remedies and herbs. Until next time, stay connected with the natural world and your path to well-being.